Sekarang terau ang tinio auru baisya samcuo tinio chungrowo naising para sapara te ni chungbru zwai tiniro mang bai mak thung phai mi singkhe chung sie tongmodi singkhe chini bru kais kauni chini bru khungnoi khrok tham khrok bre khrok babra no soroi ro bai khe tayang monse abong bai chung jati dekhe tinio thung khai phaimse chung tinio bro bai tai lai sulai khe bulai ni phaimya chung tinio nai phaimse arong bai tinio chung samchumole chung bru raule chungle जेबो फ जेबो जाति बाय फ थालाय तो ने चुलेम चु किहा जाति फ चुं फे लाइन चुया बा लाइन चुया आबदिनो चुं तिनियो किहा बाय फ चुं बा लाइन तुलाय फ क्रय आरि फ तिनियो चुं त्रिपुरा हाव तंनाय थांसा जत चरय 12 पाइजि चुं थांसा हिमन इम सेरव तिनियो बो देखे जाति केहा ते जाति न ग्रुमिए टाइम फाइमो सु फाइमो चुं खातुं यांमनो चुं तिनियो फाइमसे
बिएसएफ गारे
आरो बये तिनियो चुं बो देखे 20 कामो फ तां फाइथौ हिए चुं मा साफियो तिनियो जतो सु आइन कानून बोले चिनि चुं पब्लिक राव चिन थियो या सरकारी औ स्टोर बये सरकारी बनो जाय खेनाय आरो बये चुं तिनियो चरय पाइजि फंथो ब्रु पाइजि फंथो चिनि आइनो चि औ तया माने सरकारी औ चुं थेफारि ना सरकारी औ थेफारिया माने चि औ चुं तै सिंखे या आइन तैनि बाय तैना या आइन तैनि बाय तैना सिंखे 20 कां समै फेनायो फ चरय बाय ब्रु ताइ लै थे बो सापैमिया चरय बाय ब्रु थुइलै थे बो सापैमिया ब्रु ताइ थे खे ब्रु फारिंले तंनाया चरयनो ताइ थे खे चरय फारिंले तंमैया आरो मे ताइ लै थानाय आरो मे ब्रो सामुना तलेस पॉइंट के सरकारी बे थाके सामुनाओ सरकारी बनो पुरा दये hawala nangnai. So first of all, I want to request the government of Tripura, as we know today incident, we the group people of Tripura, especially we from the displaced camp, we are a peace-loving people. We don't want to make a disturb with any community in Tripura. We want to be Tripurasa. That's why we are settled in Tripura also. We do not want to select Mizoram, because we are actually from Mizoram, but we don't want to settle in Mizoram because we love Tripura, because we are Tripurasa. As it is Tripurasa, all the Choroi or any community where belongs to Tripurasa. So between Tripurasa and Tripurasa, we should not fight each other. We should love each other. We should help each other so that we can develop in future also. But today incident, we're very sad. We're very sad to express that the Choroi community are come and attack our brother from the Kaisko village. That is a bad incident, and we condemn the convict for doing this. And we hope that this should not be happen in the future. If this is happen, we cannot say that public war may broke out between the two communities. If we are killing each other, no community will tolerate. So because of that, I, on behalf of the Brut displaced camp, would like to express the government of Tripura that let the situation be under the control of the government of Tripura, not in the hands of the some community. Otherwise, if the some community controls some rules and regulation of the state, then the situation will be more worse and worse. Because of that, for the last and not the least, I want to request the state government to take immediate action regarding this today incident. So this is what I want to request to the government of Tripura. Thank you. My name is Zibi Halbert Young. I am from Naisipara. And I am a social worker in Naisipara.